Hi, in this video, we are going to see about the concept of networking. In networking, the different types of networks LAN, MAN, and WAN. So, first, when we enter into LAN, MAN, WAN, we need to know what is meant by a computer network. So, the connection of devices that is interconnected, which is help to share the resources and the information. So, that is the network. So here the devices that are ready to share the resources and information may be computers, servers, printers, or any other hardware devices. So the networks mainly it is help to share the data in an efficient way where with the help of the applications. Now we are using several applications for sharing the data. We use the WhatsApp, email, and then different types of applications for uh, file sharing purpose. Or we can use the LAN connection for within the with the help of the LAN connection also we can able to share the files. So the main nodes building blocks of the computer network is nodes and links. So what is meant by a node? So it is an equipment. A node is an equipment for the data communication. So for example, when we consider a modem or a router, so that is the node for the network. So it helps to connect two different networks or two different computers. Unlike the links means it is the physical link or the wireless link where it has been established a connection or a network in a networking environment. So that is the link. So without these nodes and links we cannot able to fetch a network wherever the environment we supposed to work or we supposed to interact with. Next, the working of the computer network have their own rules and procedures or the protocols in both sending and receiving the data. So the computer, each and every device within the network have their own IP address. So that helps to identify from which particular device the amount of data has been shared, when it has been shared, from where it has been shared. So then the listed diagrams gives the some devices where the computer network has been uh, helps to work efficiently. Router, hub, bridge, wireless router, switch, and wireless bridge. So for router, we have the nowadays we have the wireless router. So it eliminates the wired communication. In the same way, in bridge also. Next one, when we come into the different types of networking, we focus on LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN. So LAN mean local area network, MAN metropolitan area network, PAN personal area network, WAN wireless area network, and then SAN, so storage area network. And then other than this, we have the EPN, enterprise private network, and virtual private network, that is the VPN connection. So among these types of computer network, the primary thing is LAN, MAN, and WAN. So LAN is the local area network where it covers a very small distance within the building or within or 100 feet of space. Likewise, it covers only the limited amount of distance, and then it transmits very fast data. It links n number of computers within the LAN network. So the group of computers are devices that are connected together with the help of the switch, the address where the private addressing scheme with the help of the TCP/IP protocol. Here we use within the LAN. So here the routers are connected with within the LAN, and when multiple LANs are connected within the server, that leads to the WAN. And then the Ethernet cables or adapters have been used to ensure the proper communication of the LAN. So it covers only the very limited area, as I said. So within the schools, colleges, hospitals, or offices, we can able to work with LAN very efficiently. So the LAN uses the twisted pair cables and the coaxial cables. So it covers only the short distance, and the disadvantages, error and noise are maintained over here. And then the data rates that range from 14 to 16 Mbps, or it can differ from 100 to 1000 Mbps.